Hello, Jai Hind to all my loving children. Hope you're all fine and you're enjoying your online classes. Are you all studying religiously? Are you getting prepared for your upcoming board exams? Please write your messages in the conversation box because I love interacting with you people and it gives me energy again to start my day tomorrow. So, really, but I tell you, children, I was very depressed before when we were not having any classes. But when our school started with the online classes, I was very happy and excited to get connected with you. And when we are a step ahead to meet you all through the online screen, I'm much more happier. I'm just happy to get connected to you. So please keep on writing when I ask you to write. Keep on writing in your conversation chat, but as I start teaching you, stop responding there, right? As I'll ask the question, you can write. Now, today's class would be a revision. I'll just revise the letters of placing order. Hmm? And more, what I'll do, this class is basically a practice class. Here I'll be giving you two questions which you have to write in your class itself. So I think you are all ready with your B notebooks and your pens. So don't move out. Please sit there. The questions I'll be sharing it today on the screen only, and you will be solving it. Then I'll be shifting to the online WhatsApp group. I'll be sharing the question here. You may write down the question or you may pause the video, write it. But then I will shift to the in the later part of the class. I'll be shift to the online WhatsApp group and I'll be discussing the answers there. Because if I write the answers here, I know most of you would write the answers which I'm saying. So I won't be able to teach you how to write blessing order letters. And these are very important. Is that clear, children? So, not wasting much of my time, I'll just tell you letter writing. Letters are of two types, the formal and the informal. Formal letters are the business letters or the official letters, and the informal letters are the friendly letters, the letters which we usually write to our friends, our grandparents, grandmom, granddad, our father, our mama. So, all these letters are our friendly letters. All right. So, friendly letters and the official letters, they have their definite formats. In friendly letters, you can include inferences, you can include quotes, you can include ornamented languages, imaginations, everything. But for your formal letters, you have to be very specific, very definite. Okay, your tone should be very definite. You should not use any flowery language. The language should be simple so that the person to whom you want to communicate should be clear. Okay, whatever you are writing in your official letter, it should be very clear, precise. Don't exaggerate anything in your official letters. All right, now I'll just revise very quickly I'll do it, children. Right, already I have done it in your last class, but today I'll just do it very quickly. Letter writing, I'm not going into it. Formal letter, the format of formal letter, the sender's address, leave one line, then the date, leave one line, Then the designation or the name of the addressee, leave one line. Then address of the addressee, leave one line. Salutation, leave one line. Subject, leave one line. Then body, introduction, content, conclusion. The body includes the three paragraphs. All right. And then leave one line comes the complementary closure. Leave one line, then the signature, in running handwriting full, then the name of the sender and the designation. Right? Now the types of formal letters. The first type is the business letter. Business letters are the formal letters which includes the letters of inquiry, the placing orders, the cancelling orders, registering complaints, etc. Right? The official letter. Official letters are generally written by the employees to file a complaint and to apologize for something. These includes the letter of complaints, making inquiries, making requests, and appeals. Right? Now comes the letter to the editor. Letter to the editor, such letters voice the opinion of the people and provide them a platform to express their agreement or disagreement or reaction to the news and the views contained in newspaper. These letters provide a forum to the readers, or means platform to the readers to express their strong feelings and reactions to local, national, and international issues. Now, the letter to the editor. Now, the job applications. Job applications are very important. You have to learn it because when you pass out your college life, you start your job, always you would need these applications for applying for a job. So these letters I'll be teaching you in detail in your plus 2 classes. Okay, it's not included in your class 10 course. Right. So here I will be discussing the format of a, it's a sample of a format and the sample of a formal letter. So we start with the writer's address. The writer's address is at 1256 Mayur Bihar, Phase 1, Delhi 94. See how the address is written. It is very brief and no name is there. Only the address is the name of the place, the house, the Phase 1, the name of the locality, and the name of the place with the pin code. Then the date in extended form, March 25th, 2019 or March 25th March 2019. See, the date is in extended form, right? Now comes the designation and address of the addressee. The name is optional. We do not write the name generally, but at times in official letters there is a mention of name. So, address of the receiver, that is the addressee. The marketing manager. You at times I have seen children only you write the marketing manager and you relieve the rest for your teacher to fill up. No, children, you're not getting marks for it. So you have to write the marketing manager of which company? The Samsung India Private Limited. Then this children, you write Samsung Private India Limited and you don't give the address. You stop there only. No, you have to write the whole thing, the address and the name of the place with pin code. So C 1262 Sai Nagar East, Delhi 110022. Okay, now the subject. You will leave one line, then the subject. Subject should be very precise, very definite, and it should be that clear that the person should go through the subject and could understand the matter of the content of the letter. You should understand the content of the letter. Ah, the subject should not exceed 12 words. It should be within. It's better if it is within 12 words. It's better if you write the subject within quotes, okay? Uh, be very precise, be very clear, all right, and short. Then comes the salutation. Salutation, sir, madam, or dear sir, dear madam. Very formal, okay? Now, the main body. This part should be divided in three paragraphs. I've told you before also, this part should have three paragraphs. Just I'm revising, so I'm going just to the detailed steps, but not I'll discuss everything. Just the detailed steps I am, as it's a division, I'm doing it. The main body, this part should be divided in three paragraphs. What should be there in the first paragraph? Due to regards, it is to be started that I am really impressed with your dash 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 and wish to purchase. All right. Para 2, the middle paragraph, must contain all the details of the product or service that you're going to order. Then para 3. While the last paragraph must express what one would want the other person to do in the response of this letter. This is the concluding part of any letter. It also expresses thanks in beautiful words. Now, the part 3, the subscription. Yours truly, or obediently, sincerely. But I like to write only thanking you. Okay. But you should write yours truly, obediently, sincerely when you're writing a application. But that's up to you, children. You can write also. But I personally, love to write thanking you. Name. Name should be in full form, the signature with the signature, and then the designation as your English teacher, or as a student, or as a citizen, or as a chief editor, or as a librarian, or as a game instructor. You have to write the designation. Right? Now, today, what I said, I'll be practicing the letter of placing order. So, let me just to recap the letter very quickly. Here I have here is a sample of a letter of placing order for furnitures. All right. Suppose it will be given that you are so and so, the manager of a school. Please give place an order to Woods and Worlds for the furnitures of the news for your school for the new session. All right. Maybe the question may be of this sort. So you have to write a letter of placing order. So what you'll do first, you will start with the sender's address. Sender's address, very brief, with the pin code. Then leave one line. Then you will come to the date in extended form. The date will be in extended form. November 30, 2020. Then leave one line. The manager, that is a designation. Woods and Worlds. Then what you have to do? You have to mention the address. So 35 Patel Street, Delhi 18. So the pin code is must. Pin code is must. Then what you do? Again, you leave a line. Write, dear sir. What do you write? Dear sir. Or you can write sir or ma'am. Alright, then again you will be leaving a line. There is no comma, children. All right? After dear sir. Then you will leave a line. Then subject, placing order for furniture. So as we have discussed telephonically on behalf of these lines, you should learn, children. It would be same for all types of placing orders. Only the furniture will be replaced by the other item which is demanded in the question. The furniture will be replaced with the other item which is ordered in the question. So you should learn these statements, I think so. As we have discussed telephonically, on behalf of our company, I like to place an immediate order for the supply of the following set of furniture. All right, furniture. Now, when you are placing order, children, this is very important. The order which you are the order of the item which you are placing, it should always be in a box, or and in the box it should be in a table. See, learn this. First, that will be the model number, then name of the item, then quantity. Now, if it is books, the model number would change with the publisher, name of item, quantity for books in case of books, right? In case of dress materials, it would be what? Boutique or whatever company you want to write. Then name of the item, then quantity. Name of the company, sorry, not quantity. All right. Name of the company which you want to write, or the boutique's name. Hmm. The name of the item, like uh, four kurtis, five kurtas, then skirts, like this. All right. Quantity five, four, three, two, one, in this way. So this six model number would change with the items. This model number, this thing, this will be changing with the change of order. The model number will be publishing house. Okay. The next, if it is dress material, then the you may have the a shop name or the brand. Okay, or the boutique name here. But these two will be same, the name of the item and the quantity, right? 1254, model number, name of the item chair, quantity 25. Model number 1478, name of the item chair, quantity 12. Model number 2148, conference table, quantity 3. Model number 4615, table, quantity 5050. Model number 2418, name of the item sofa, quantity 2, right? So now this again, learn this statements, learn the styles. As we have discussed, we are sending a demand draft of rupees 20,000 as advance payment. The rest will be paid at the time of delivery. Kindly ship the above order at the above mentioned address. Now, these things you have to learn. Kindly ship the above order at the above mentioned address. These techniques, these styles, you have to learn. And children, I'm very strict. You have to use this in your copies. Only thing you will be replacing the items. Now, then leave one line. Kindly this also. Learn these two lines, these two sentences, these two lines. Kindly adhere to the terms of the agreement. Kindly adhere to the terms of the agreement. We hope to receive the order in 4 working days. Bas. Full stop. Thanking you. Yours truly, XYZ. You can write ABC. You can write your name also, but I ask you to avoid the name is the name is not mentioned in the question. HR. All right. Am I clear to all of you? Now, children, you can see a question which has been floated in on your screen. Now, I want you to write the question. There are two questions. Please to write the questions in your notebooks. This is very important. So, I am asking you to do this uh, assignment in your notebooks immediately today in the class. So here is one question, and after you do it, I'll give you some time. Then again, I'll get connected with you through my online WhatsApp group where I will discuss the answer. You are Lakshman Lakshmi, the head librarian of Ramana Public School, Nellore. Write a letter to Jadda Book Depot, Nellore, placing bulk order for books needed for the school library. You can invent your own details. Understood? The details you can just make up your own details. So, have you written? Please, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Write the question carefully without missing any words and without any spelling mistakes. Write it in your B notebooks. This is your classwork assignment of placing orders. The margin should be there, the index should be completed. Have you written the question? The question 2. You are A. Rijvi, head of the chemistry department, Usmania Senior Secondary School. So you are A. Rijvi. So, what is your designation? Head of the chemistry department, right? So, name and designation you have got here. Now, you require various lab apparatus and chemicals for laboratory. Write a letter to MS Om Scientific Work, Sharanpur, placing a bulk order for the purchase of various items. Mention all the necessary details of the items as well as the discounts available on the purchase. So, what will be the sender's address? Yes, somewhere you will give a house number of your own choice. Then, Usmania, you have to give the pin code. Let it be 5454. Senior Secondary School, Saharanpur. So, where you are writing the letter, you are placing the order to a shopkeeper or a depot. Okay, and you are ordering the items for in a bulk. So you are Rijvi. So you have got the name. Now, Senior Secondary School, Saharanpur. So you have got the sender's address also. You require various lab apparatus. So what are the items you will be placing for orders? Those are the apparatus and the chemical for laboratory. Now you have to write the letter to MS Om Scientific Works. So MS Om Scientific Works. Below that, you will be writing Saharanpur, then whatever UP, huh? Placing a bulk order for the purchase of various items. Mention all the necessary details of the terms as well as the discounts available on the purchase. All right. Please write. I think by now you have written the question, and both the questions should be there in your B notebooks. Both the questions should be there in your B notebooks. Have you written? I think, children, by now you have written both the questions. Please start solving. I'll give 10 minutes for each of the questions. 10 minutes for the first one, 10 minutes for the next one. Okay? So, start doing. Your time starts now. Again, I'll be connected with you through your WhatsApp group. Till then, goodbye. Stay safe. Be good. Don't fight. Use your time only in studying. Bye bye.